Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable BRIM in Bambu Studio. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First, what we are going to do is make sure that you have enabled advanced mode right here. So toggle this on. Now what we can do is go to the other tab right here and find the section labeled bed adhesion. So the first one right here. Now we will change BRIM type to outer BRIM only. So outer BRIM only. This is the most common option. And after that, we will click slice all. Now, what you need to do also, or just that you know, um, BRIM width is by default 5 millimeters, as you can see right here. So if you are printing a very tall, skinny object or a material that wraps easily, like ABS plastic, increase this to, let's say, 8 or also 10 millimeters to make the grip stronger. Now, BRIM object gap, this controls how close the BRIM is to your model, which is usually set, as you can see, 0.1. If you find the BRIM is too hard to peel off, increase this number slightly, like 0.2. So it breaks away like a zipper. And yeah, I think this is basically what you can do with BRIM here in Bambu Studio. So as you can see now here, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.